Right, let's go, 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 and let's discover where... If I find it now, I swear to God... No, I haven't. Good. Because I would swear upon Lucifer, a rabid dog would be just destroying Ratchet's balls right now. A rabid one, yes. Where am I going exactly? I do not know. It's hard to say at this present time. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go that way. It seems plausible. Maybe. No! How did you know? Holy marvel after Jesus. Jesus is very displeased. Right now. Right this second, right now. Oh, maybe I'll go up here. I didn't even think about that. Possibly. It's plausible. Not this way, that's for sure. I actually... It's up there. How the fuck do I get up there? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I figured it out. Got it. I got it. I got it. Yes. Now, where is it? Not that one. There it is. And if I use this, is that how I... Yes, it is how I get it. Thank you. This is how I get it. It's not that one. And I fell. Lovely. I think I'm going to get the skill point and all the bullshit around here later when I have to come back in a second time off camera. Basically... What there is a stupid... You know how to get the titanium bolt by now, you should do anyway, otherwise you're really dumb. I'm sorry, did I insult someone? I couldn't care less. Found it. Right, basically you know how to get that one, and basically one of those rocks has no round bit on it, it's just a flat surface and you jump on it. However, you can't tell which one it is. There is no way of telling where it is and which one it is. So good luck getting it. Because I ain't on camera, because I'll be there for fucking hours. How the hell do I get there? That's an excellent... Oh, no, wait. No, that is an excellent question. How the hell do I get there? Wow-yo! Your bullshitters are matching me. Is it perhaps this one? I'm bloody hoping it is. It is. Yeah, so it's done. That's how we do it downtown. You can also use this one if you really wanted. I love doing this and going on the inside. Wow, it's fun. Thank you. Weapon time. Oh, didn't use anything. Good. Actually, whip. No, screw it. Love that. I'm gonna evolve this thing. By the way, you can get shitloads of stuff here. I mean, it shed loads. Stage of the game where they can care less whether they give you shed loads. Look at how much money I made. I made like 20,000, which is actually incredible. Well done, I'm impressed. Down we go. I couldn't figure out first where to go with that. I couldn't tell what that was. Okay, where do I go? Do I jump? Kill me, yay. No jumping then. Where else do I go? Nope, no idea. Alright. There's the way out. Well, I'm running out of ammo, but it'll level up soon enough. Level up. Small guys actually do more, surprisingly. That was nice. Boom. Yeah, these guys, these do more than that big thing. Which is impressive, considering that that big thing is huge. Oh, that sounds so wrong. The big thing is huge! Oh, nice. What is it now? It has a lock-on mod. Yes, I know it does.
Lock on to enemies.
I know it can.
L2 and R2.
I know. Same with every other weapon. Every single weapon. Wow, just one hit. That's nice. It's actually the same as every... I don't care about him. So I leave. Hello, Skid.
Cover me! Oh, man down!
It's alright, Skid. The fight's over.
Yes. I mean, no. That blows, man. I would have been here sooner, but I encountered some heavy-duty resistance.
Enemy troops?
Well, not exactly. The drive through a Galaxy Burger was wicked slow, and...
Anyway, looks like that last moon is surrounded by an Omega-class disintegration field. Whatever's going on out there, it can't be good. If I had the right tools, I could hack into that generator and shut the field down.
Hey, lucky for you dudes, I brought this. Stand back, bro. I'm like a trained professional and stuff. Don't try this at home. Oh, man, it's busted. Oh, wait, never mind.
Incoming call from the Galactic Rangers.
Oh, yes. Blackwater City. Yep.
City is under attack. This always came out of nowhere. The situation is extremely...
Oh, this is the magnet boots.
We're pretty much hosed, sir. Quickly, stop! Sir, requesting immediate assistance.
I think so.
Whoa! I guess I'll be canceling that hoverboard trip to Blackwater City.
The Rangers need our help. Let's go.
I'll, catch up with you guys. I think this lock is gonna take a while.
Okay, give us a call if anything comes up.
Yeah. Back to the ship. That's the place to upgrade the weapons that I want to upgrade. Anything new? Oh! I like the disc gun. Oh well, that'll be the end of this part. Bye bye.